Hello everyone, my name is Priya Mehta and welcome to my channel Speak and Span Learning. First of all, happy Father's Day to everyone. It is a special day commemorating all fathers around the world. It honors not only the real father, but father, grandfather, stepfather, father-in-law and everyone who is a father figure. On this very occasion of Father's Day, I am here with a beautiful poem composed by Rudyard Kipling. If. If poem is an address by a father to his son, advising how to become an ideal man. Without wasting any time, we are going to start this poem. But before it, if you have not done, then kindly subscribe it, like this video, and share this with your friends. So the poem starts here. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. When people around you are losing themselves, when they are becoming negative or something went wrong and they blame that thing to you, that you are responsible for all the things that is being wrong, what you should do? Keep your head. Means don't be negative, be positive, be faithful in yourself. Tell yourself that I am confident. I am not going to lose myself. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, when people doubt you for everything, that you are not able to do this work, you are not capable of doing something, what you should do? Trust yourself. Tell yourself that yes, I can do. But make allowance for others doubting too. At the same time, don't tell others that you are able to do this. You have to be just capable of doing that. Tell yourself that yes, I am able to do this, but let others doubt you. Don't argue with anybody. Don't show your anger to others. Tell them, let them say what they want. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, if you have to wait for your result, when you are capable of doing something, when you are confident and you did a work, what you need to do? You have to wait for the result and be patient. Don't be tired of waiting or being lied about. Don't deal in lies. When people around you lie to you, you don't need to be like others. Be truthful. Don't lie to anybody else. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. If you see people around you are hating you, you should not copy them. You should appreciate the world. And yet don't look too good, not talk too wise. At the same time, when you are confident, when you are patient, when others are lying you are not lying, you are truthful. At the time, you should not look like very much confident. Be simple. Keep your look simple like a common man. Not talk too wise and don't show your wisdom. Try to understand everything, but don't show off it. Now we come to the next stanza. If you can dream and not make dreams your master. Dreaming is a common thing. Every people dream. But sometimes it happens that our dream overpowers. They start controlling our life. It should not be there. You should dream, but don't make your dream be your master. You should master your life, your dreams. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. Again, thinking is very common thing. Whenever we talk to somebody, their thought or their words becomes our thought. Thinking is good, but that thought should not become our aim of life. Because every day we come across many thoughts and every thought cannot be our aim. We should be strict to our goal. If you can meet with triumph and disaster, triumph means victory, winning. And disaster means being defeated, losing everything. What you need to do, if you can meet both of them, triumph and defeat, disaster. When you are a winner, you are very happy. And when there is disaster, you become very sad. If you can meet both of them, means if you can take both of them very easily, don't give importance to either winning or losing, and treat those two imposters just the same. And these two imposters, which are the two imposters? They are the triumph and disaster. Triumph and disaster are called as imposter, means fake, which is not real. So winning or disaster, both are just part of life. They are not life. They are not real. They are just fake things that come across our life, and we have to just give them one look, not importance. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by Nab to make a trap for fools. If you have the patience to hear what you have said, but twisted by names. Nab means people who are dishonest, who are not truthful, who have made trap for fools. If you are a fool, then only you will be trapped. If you are smart, what you will do? You will not give importance to the things that they are saying. You know what you have said. You know that the things which are twisted by others are not told by you. Then why to be worried about that? Don't give importance to nap. Don't give importance to the things that are told by somebody which is not told by you. And even if you have said something which is not good, what you should do? Take it. Accept that thing. That yes, I have done this mistake. So start accepting your mistake. Or watch the things you gave your life to, broken and stew, and build them up with worn out tools. Or sometimes what happens, we give our work, our hard work to our dreams. If you have worked hard for some project and that thing is scattered, that is broken up, if you are heartbroken, if you are unable to get your goal, don't be disheartened. You just need to stand up. Don't be a failure. Stand up, start it again. Take the pieces of your dreams, restart working, have do effort for it, and yes, one day you will make it again. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn to pitch and toss, it is very difficult. Making a heap of winning means being a winner every time. When you do hard work, obviously you will be a winner. But after a long time, when you have a heap of your victory, you are a winner of everything that you have done. And one day, if you can risk that in just one turn, can you take risk? This father says to his son that you have to take risk. One day, when you are able to take risk out of all your winnings, then only you are going to get success. And lose and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss. Take risk. Then, if you get defeated, don't be heartbroken. Again, start it. Don't complain about it that I lost everything. Don't tell others that I am in pain. I had some dreams, I had my goals, I had given everything to the thing what I wanted, but I lost everything. Never tell these stories to anybody. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone. When some situation comes where you have nothing, even your heart is not ready to support you, it simply means that when you are totally devastated, what you need to do? Be strong. Tell yourself that this is not the end. Start serving. When you had to do your service and your time of giving service is over, tell yourself that it is not over. It is my turn. I have the energy to work for it. I have the energy to struggle more to get that success that I want. And so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to you, to them, hold on. When everything that you have are lost, when you have nothing with you, when you have nobody to support, there is only one thing, willpower. Have your willpower with you. Willpower means strong determination to do something. Have determination and see yourself. Tell yourself inside. Tell your heart, tell your senior that I am able to do. I am able to win. I am able to get the success. Just hold on. The hold on means have patience. Start working again and again. And one day you will get success. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, talking with crowd means many people. How many people you meet, so many ideas and thoughts will come to your mind. If you can meet the crowd but keep your virtue, virtue means your policy, your morals. What are the morals in your life? If you can keep them with you till the end, means if you are not affected by other people, or walk with king, nor lose their common touch. When you are able to be honored like king, you are sitting with king. King means higher, prestigious people who are rich people, who have honor in the society. If you are sitting with them at the same time, you have not lost your common life. You should be very simple. Be honored like king. Sit with rich people, but don't show off. Don't tell yourself that you are a king. Be a common man. If neither foes nor loving friend can hurt you, when there is a time when your foes means your enemies and friends, neither your enemies nor your friend have the guts to hurt you. When somebody can hurt you, when they are close to you. So be with all, but don't let anybody interfere in your life. Give importance to all, but not that much that they can affect you. If all men count with you, but none too much. Count with you means everybody supports you. Counting means support here. So if people support you, but none too much, you give importance to everyone as they are your supporters, they are loving you, you should get love, give love to them, but don't let anybody too close to you. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. All of us know that time never waits for anyone. Unforgiving minute means time never forgive anybody who wasted. So what we need to do with 60 seconds, each minute has 60 seconds, means we should fulfill every second of a minute. Give your complete effort to do things in a right way. Each and every second should be used in productive work. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more, you will be a man, my son. The last two lines, a father tells his son that if you can do all these things, what I told you, yours is the earth. If you are confident, if you never lose your hope, if you don't give importance to victory or disaster, if you are not affected by people, if you are a common person but a wise man, if you never waste time and give importance to everybody at the same time, don't let others interfere in your life, then this earth means whole world, earth and everything in it, everything of this world, everybody, every people, every object will be yours. You will become the real king of the world. Here, becoming king means being successful. Successful means an ideal person. And what is the last line? Which is more? Only becoming a king or successful person is not enough. You will be a man, my son. My son, right now you are a small boy, but one day you will become a man. Here, man does not mean only growing up, but man means a person who is ideal to others, a person to whom everybody looks at and want to become like them. So if you want to be an ideal human being, then you should follow all the advices given by a father to his son. And this poem is not only for his son, but this poem is by every father to their son, to their children. Here we complete the poem. I hope you have liked it. Thank you.